Hey everybody, hi, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
All right, here with another fun project for you. Today is a pop-up card or like a pop-up, kind of pop-up-y thing. I'll show you an example. Here we go. It's not just a card, but it could be like a little scene. So here's our friend. She's a little girl. She's sitting on a chair. That's one example. And then we have a little pop-up garden scene with our bird friends. And he's a little floppy, but there you go. So we're gonna show you how to make that. I'm gonna leave those over here. You're gonna need scissors, you're gonna need a glue stick, and something to draw with. We've got Sharpie and we've got some crayons. And of course, your piece of paper. So first you're gonna fold your paper in half. Oops. Okay, fold your paper in half. Okay, now, open it up. You're gonna wanna cut. We're gonna make some cuts on the folded side. So, gonna make two cuts. So maybe like as long as your finger, or going up, half a finger. My fingers are probably bigger than yours. Okay, and then you're gonna fold it up like that, and then flip it over and fold it again. And if you're doing this at home and if I'm going too fast for you, you can stop and watch it over again. So then we're gonna open the page up, go from the outside and push in where you cut. And then close your page again. Now it's gonna look like somebody took a bite out of your piece of paper, but when you open it up, you've got your little pop-up window. Okay, so now is the fun part. You get to decorate. So let's see, first I'm gonna make like a chair. I'm gonna turn this into a chair. I'm gonna color it quick. And then I'm making the back of my chair. Those birds are loud. There's the back of my chair. And then I'm gonna make a little bookcase. And then maybe I'll draw a carpet. Okay, you can take more time when you're doing this at home. And now, ahead of time, we made a little friend. So here I used a color, the same color as her dress. Maybe she'll stand up if she's sick. I'm gonna make her sitting in the chair. So I'm gonna fold her body at the waist, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on her back. And then I'm gonna stick her onto the chair. And there you go. She sits down, she comes back up. Hello! Oh, you might wanna put a little glue on her legs too so she doesn't fly up. So there she is, she's on her chair.
Oh, she's so cute.
And if she needs you could glue, I have a butterfly here too. You could glue your butterfly. But I'm gonna put my butterfly in the background. And then she's got a little bird friend with her. It's not a very good one. Let's see. Maybe she has a cat friend. Hang on, there we go. All right, I have half of a cat. So she's gonna have her cat friend with her. I'm gonna make a little tab, like that, and I'm gonna put some glue on my tab. I didn't color my cat, but then she's got her cat, her big fat giant cat sitting next to her. There she is.
So great. So what happens when you close the card and open it again?
I got glue on my hand. Okay, close the card, and then open it, and there she is with her cat.
Oh, so
you could make a card for like your grandma, and it could say, "Hi, Grandma, I miss you," or you could. So here's our examples. Made like a garden village. We had one of our friends in our Zoom class made a bunch of aliens in space. So just to recap, you're gonna fold your paper in half, make a couple cuts, glue your friends inside. So your friends can be glued right on the front like that, and then lay down, pop up. Or if you want people sitting on their chairs, there you go. Okay, so if you're having trouble and you need to slow us down on the video, just stop it and do whatever part you need to do and then get it going again. So, all right, that's our lesson for today. Pop-up cards. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone. See you later.